To import the Paddle dashboard, start by installing the Paddle library, which is a Python framework that provides a simple and efficient way to build and train deep learning models. First, make sure you have Python installed on your system. Then install the Paddle library using pip, which is the Python package manager. Next, import the Paddle library in your Python script. This can be done by using the import statement. After importing the Paddle library, you need to import the Paddle dashboard. This can be done by using the import statement with the specific module name. To use the Paddle dashboard, you need to have a Paddle project. Create a new project or open an existing one. Once you have a project, you can import the Paddle dashboard. This will allow you to visualize and track the performance of your models. In the Paddle dashboard, you can view the training and evaluation metrics, such as accuracy, loss, and learning rate. You can also view the model architecture and the hyperparameters used to train the model. To get the most out of the Paddle dashboard, make sure to organize your code in a logical and consistent manner. This will make it easier to navigate and understand the dashboard. Also, use meaningful names for your models and experiments. This will help you to quickly identify and compare different models and experiments. Best practices for using the Paddle dashboard include regularly saving and versioning your models and experiments. This will allow you to track changes and improvements over time. Also, use the dashboard to compare and analyze different models and experiments. This will help you to identify the best performing models and hyperparameters. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively import and use the Paddle dashboard to visualize and track the performance of your deep learning models. The Paddle dashboard provides a powerful tool for building, training, and evaluating deep learning models. And by using it effectively, you can improve the performance and accuracy of your models.